Hi guys, so welcome back. So this is my channel and we have to go to Google ADSENSE. That's where we verify the address. So Google ADSENSE. So from here, I'm gonna go to sign in. So here, this is my Google AdSense account. So here I already signed in. So as you can see guys, there's something it says here. AdSense, your payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. So, and yeah, that's what it says. So, I'm gonna show you my Google AdSense. This is my Google AdSense. Here, this one. Wait. Um, this one, guys. There, as you can see, my Google AdSense. Says Google there. So um I'm gonna open it. So in in the size here in the size around it says remove side edges first. So we're gonna remove the edges first. There. Nahinayon na to aron dili mag-isi. Oh no. Okay. So let's see my pin. Oh yeah. This is my pin. So they give me my pin. So my pin is here. So that's my pin. That's what inside. It says pin, 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 Desara pin. There. So my channel was monetized like maybe late November. So today is still January. So it's fast, right? So I think it's because I'm here in the US, it's faster. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify this. So I'm gonna go back to my Google AdSense. So by the way, this is my account, micaryavlog. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So, so here I can see it says verify verify your billing address. We mailed you a pen on January 19, 2021, and it should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the pin we sent you. So as you can see, this there's a word here, verify. So I'm gonna click and see what's gonna happen. So it says you'll find a 6-digit pin in the letter we sent you. You have three you have 3 attempts remaining. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pin. So my pin is 9. So my pin is, I'm just gonna, maybe I'm gonna go ahead and uncover this. I'm not sure if I need to. So the pin should be like 6 numbers. It says here, this code is unique to your account and the payment address you want to verify. Please do not share this code with anyone else. And know that Google will never call you and ask you for code. Oh, okay. So I have to cover this, guys. Sorry. So, but anyway, this is for me. So if you're gonna, if this will not work in your channel, so you don't need this pin. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the submit. Wow, yay! It says your billing address has been verified. Charot. So, I guess it's so easy, guys. So, ganun lang pala yun. So, I'm happy that I got my pin because I heard other people that they have, oh, they've been waiting for so long. They're waiting for their pin, so they're excited. So, for me, it's fast, so I'm so lucky. So, I think that's it, guys. And yes, I think that's it. And I'm gonna go back to my channel. So it's so easy to verify your address once you get your PIN. So just go to Google AdSense and sign in. And then as you can see, you just follow the instruction. And yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So yeah, thank you very much and bye bye. Aloha.